All right, hello and welcome back to Yugi-Centric. We are doing finally our 25th anniversary edition opening twice. So I'm gonna let Joey pick which box he wants to be his.
I don't want that responsibility. I'll take this one.
All right, so we're gonna put this here for you. I stuck a little needle in the side here. Let's try to open it. I don't think I'm gonna be able to find that hole. That's what she said. So let's just do this real quick. And get this open. Joe's gonna start opening his, so you don't have to watch that
off camera here.
But I do want to show just kind of the way this is all set up. It's similar to Ghost from the Past 2, right? 2? Yes.
Yep.
And kind of the Elder Maximum Gold boxes and how it's set up to an extent. This one's a little different.
So
right.
we have 5 mini boxes.
I forgot them.
Okay.
Yeah, I forgot the microphones. That's okay. All right, so in each box is a quarter century rare of either one of the 3 main monsters or 3 god cards. The Blue Eyes, because it is not being printed in the 25th anniversary, in the tins as a promo, is up to $25 right now.
Yeah.
So automatically, if you get the Blue Eyes, you're kind of paying for your own mini box. So I'm going to not spoil it. Okay. And frankly, I don't need to go through each of these cards. You know what they are. It's Obelisk, Slifer, Winged Dragon, Blue Eyes, Dark Magician, Red Eyes, I spoiled it, Winged Dragon, Ra. So I'll put that right there because you can see the 25th anniversary stamp with the lighting like that, which is pretty cool.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna put all of mine there. I'm hoping to get, I already have the Blue Eyes actually, so I'm hoping to get all of the God cards, which I don't have yet. We're gonna do Invasion of Chaos first to start us off. We're looking for the Blacklusted Soldier and Void of Beginning.
Mm-hmm.
I think is the money card in this. The cool thing, and I think Joey likes this, is that they are pricing these different on TCG Player than other Unlimited. So the price is a little lower right now, but that's okay. Okay, Orca, Mega Fortress of Darkness.
Got a foil.
Got a foil. Soul Tigre. So I think the most expensive card is actually from this set, Spell Ruler, and that would be 2 Blue Eyes, 2 Dragon.
Blue Eyes, 2 Dragon, yeah.
So that is at about $30 right now. Maybe the Blue Eyes.
I think the Blue Eyes from LOB is more expensive. It's about like 40 or 50.
Turwolf, Rider Ran, Hamburger Recipe, Eternal Rest, Nimble, Rising Air Current, Mechanical Snail, Flash of Sound, so I didn't get a foil from there. We talked about that's probably the most nostalgic for me other than LOB is Spell Ruler.
I would agree. Some of the most recognizable.
I look at those cards and I remember our childhood, Archfiend's Oath, Checkmate, Garzit, Blind Little Goblin, Skill Drain, which I should probably put aside because that's probably $1 or $2.
Yeah, it was more expensive until they reprinted it about 3 times this year, I think. But
nothing else there. I'll still put it to the side. Because that was in Maze, correct? There's an ultra of that in Maze Memories.
No, it was in
Maze. Yeah, Mama, not Maze. Okay. 3-headed Guido, Cyber Falcon, Type 0 Magic Crusher, Science Soldier, Light Force Sword, Deep Sea Warrior. Okay, this is not a great mini box yet. Next up, we have Metal Raiders, Gate Guardian, Secret Rare. What else?
I'm trying to remember. See,
Solemn Judgment. Solemn Judgment's in this.
Yeah. Because I've been mixing up some of the hollows in this set.
Cocoon of Evolution, Princess of. My nails. I should have cut my nails. Sort of deep seated. I was working today. Get over it. All right, nothing there. Do I do the LOB now, or do I save them all for the end? I'll do it.
That would be cool if we. Yeah, you save all yours.
I'll
to
save
the
them
end,
all
maybe.
for the end. Yeah, I'll put that right there. All right, second mini box. Just gonna automatically just bust this open real quick. Just throw that there. I'm not gonna spoil this. Okay, I'm just gonna pull the back card out because that's the only really only one you guys want to see. Oh, my nail.
Second Wing Dragon.
All right, so that's Dose. We're gonna give these away, by the way. So we have a bunch of these. We'll have a bunch of these, so we'll give those out. Again, you're gonna start on the bottom with IOC. Again, Black Luster Soldier, and with the beginning, original print, unlimited, Neobug, Fiend's Hands Mirror, Pinstopper, Earth Chant, Matza the Zapper, and Gryphon's Feather Duster. Where's Dust Tornado in? Which says Dust Tornado in?
I feel like that would be LOB, but I could be wrong.
No, just double check that one.
Yeah.
So that's just one I was thinking of. Okay. So let's see. Gravekeeper's Servant, Luminous Spark, Queen Bird, Mother Grizzly, Blast-Tuned Dragon, Molten Destruction. I remember this one, Guardian of the Throne Room. Okay. Next up. I was saying to Joe, I think it's better off to buy, like, we got a display for the video. I think you're better off buying individual mini boxes
From different locations.
Different locations, or because I think these are like, I think they're made so, like all of it.
They definitely, I think the distribution on them, they tried to evenly,
Yeah.
Distribute them and give. I mean, we do have already a duplicate quarter century rare, but for the most part, I think they tried to spread everything out.
Relatively even. Okay, so Pharaoh's Servant, we got a Medora, which is just cool, kind of throwback, and also the Shizu stuff, which is kind of done. Steel Ogre, Ground Collapse, Burning Land, Forced Requisition, Earthshaker, Truth, Protector. Okay. Put those to the side. Metal Raiders, and then LOB, I'm waiting to the end to hopefully pull something cool. I stupidly purchased a Gate Guardian prior to everything getting released. Armor Zombie, Saga the Dark Clown, Soul Release, Petite Moth, Cannon Soldier, and Destroyer Golem. Alright, a lot of cool nostalgic cards, but not what we're looking for. Alright, mini box number 3. Okay. I just don't want to spoil it for the video, so I'll pull this back. And let's see. Okay. Alright. Obelisk.
Okay. I think that's the first that either of us have.
I haven't gotten one.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'd opened a mini box by ourselves. I love how you can see the lighting with the 25th anniversary there. That works out perfect. Again, I'm going to give these away because we don't need multiple play sets of God cards where you can't even use them because the display buttons. Alright. Invasion of Chaos. So far, kind of a doo-doo opening.
Yeah.
At least for me. Neobug, Soul Absorption, Spirit of the Pot of Greed. Oh.
Yeah, it's an interesting card. It's,
Yeah. Berserk Gorilla, Trap Jammer. Okay.
So that was 1 or 2 hollows from the first display, or
So no, it's been 1-1-1.
Oh, you're on your. Okay, right.
This is my third.
Yeah,
This is my third box. This is my third box.
Okay.
So I don't love that. Horn of Light, America, Queen Bird, Luminous Spark, Horn of the Unicorn, Blue-Eyed Dragon.
Ooh, ultra rare.
Megamorph, ultra rare. Let's get a price check on that because I have no idea what it is.
Megamorph.
It's definitely not worth money. If it's worth more than $1, I'm happy. Dark Crisis.
About 450 on TCG.
For
Player.
25th?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's the best card that we have so far. Pandemonium. I don't even know what's in Dark Crisis. I've yet to look it up. I can't remember exactly what's in Dark Crisis. Okay, Pharaoh Servant. Looking for a Jinzo. Or a Buster Blader. Jinzo's a secret, Buster Blader is an ultra. Chanted Javelin. Rain of Mercy. Inspection. Magic Drain. Bombardment Beetle. Ooh, All Seeing White Tiger. Alright, Metal Raiders again. What's the best? The highest price has to be Gate Guardian from here.
I would assume so.
Water of Onyx, The Unhappy Maiden, Starboy, Catapult Turtle. Alright, so that was 3 hollows from that mini box. So far. See, I haven't opened the LOB, so take that into account.
Oh, Catapult Turtle is cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're looking at from Metal Raiders, Gate Guardian, Black Skull Dragon, Ultra Rare is actually the second highest.
Okay.
And then, yeah, Solemn Judgment, Time Wizard. Haven't seen one of those in a while.
Solemn Judgment's what, like $20?
Yeah, about.
Okay. Alright. Again, giving away these promos, except for the... I'm going to give away any doubles we have.
Yeah.
Of the 25th anniversary.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, this is cool, because now I don't get spoiled. So this is one of the normal monsters. So it could be Dark Magician, Red Eyes, which I don't really want the Red Eyes. I do want the Dark Magician, because I have my Dark Magician deck.
Mm-hmm.
So I'd like to have 3 of the Core Century. I have 1 right now.
Oh, you do have one?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I don't have any... Do I have Red Eyes?
Yeah, we don't have any Red Eyes
I don't
either,
have any
so
Red
I'll
Eyes, so
take,
yeah, I
definitely
would
take
take
one
that.
of those. And it is.
It is a Red Eye. Okay. Yeah, I don't have that, so that's fine. Obviously, I want more Blue Eyes because they're the most expensive, so they make it a little bit. See, what's frustrating is like I have a Slifer,
Right.
but I also want to get all 3 in one box. That'd be cool, but whatever. Alright, putting the LB to the side again because I want to rip those open together. IOC. Stealth Bird. Coach Goblin. Thunder Crash. I can't read that. Fuma Shuriken. Tower of Babel. Nope. Okay. Spell Ruler. What would you trade me for the Toon Dragon? Because I don't need it.
I was trying to think about that yesterday, honestly.
Dark Crisis. Are they doing a Dark Crisis booster box?
I've heard they haven't confirmed that they're not, but people believe that.
Why haven't they done Magician's Force?
I'm not sure.
It's just because they don't want that Dark Magician price to get, or Dark Magician Girl price to get hit.
Potentially.
Mad Sword Beast. Mirror Wall. Cool.
Rare?
Yeah, Power Servant. It's just a rare.
Okay.
But
Oh no, it's a super. Yeah.
oh yeah, super rare, sorry. And then Metal Raiders.
Yeah, the next most valuable in Spell Ruler are Delinquent Duo and Snatch Steal, which I believe are both banned. But
Delinquent
some of
Duo
those
definitely is.
yeah, some of those cards just still hold value.
Alright, so last display box from my last mini box from my display box. This will be a little longer video, but you guys like that. Okay. So again, I have not pulled. I'm gonna do this because this is the order that they are. just so at the end so I can see kind of how many hollows I got from each box. Yeah. Okay. So with the exception of the one, it's been one in each. I got 3 in that one. Alright, we have another normal monster. Okay. Just not red eyes again. That's right. See, I don't like. See, this is why I don't. I think you should buy from separate. Like, just go to different stores and get. Different mini boxes because I have 4 now of.
Yeah, but my theory was that there would be less clumping in each individual display, like they would try to put 5 different promos, but apparently that's not the case.
So you're saying you hope, but if the blue eyes are short printed.
Yes, well, and then if you wanted multiples of a certain one, then yeah, I think you should go to different locations.
Robin Zombie.
Ooh. Oh wow, that's actually huge. Oh. Chaos Emperor Dragon.
See, I was saying Blacklisted Soldier envoy at the beginning, but that's not. I meant to say Chaos Emperor Dragon envoy at the end. Ho ho! All right, check that price. Even if it's not a lot, it looks pretty cool. All right. My expectations for getting anything else from these packs is now pretty much 0, but that's okay. Oops, not correct. Okay. Dark Crisis. Morale Boost, Pandemonium.
Yeah, it looks like unlimited. That's about like a $15, $20.
I will take that. I will take that. Legendary Flame Lord. Arsenal, whatever. Alright, so again, if I'm going off of my theory here with like, you're pretty much getting 1 holo except for 1 mini box. I'm not expecting much here, but it's okay.
Right, or perhaps the ideal scenario would be all of the holos are saved for Legend of Blue Eyes, which is...
Time Seal, Monster Recover, Instinct Imitation, yeah. No Raiders. So I got this display for 100, by the way. So, or 110. So, should have been 100. Tremendous Fire, Harpy Lady, Crass Crown, Blade Fly, King of the Yamaka. Alright, so here we go. Gotta just show you real quick. There goes that. The way it's gonna end here. Okay. I'm gonna start with. I'll start with the pack I just did that I got the Chaos Emperor Dragon in. Okay. Move Draft. I'm also doing a full binder of just LOB. So all those, actually, those 3 cards I do not have. I have this. Don't have this. I don't have this, so I'll take that. Don't have that. I have that, and I have that. Okay. Because I'm putting together a full binder of Unlimited of LOB. Okay. 2-mana Dark Ruler. Skill Servant. Nimiriko. Fire Knight. Swords of Revealing Light.
Nice.
Interesting that Mirror Wall and Swords of Revealing Light were in the same pack. I can't imagine that's been reprinted so many times that.
Yeah, it's not really used anymore.
Yeah. Okay. King Fog. Remove Trap. Root Water. Silver Fang. Dragon Capture Jar to capture Blue Eyes. Nope, it's required. Alright, again, some of these cards I don't have yet for my binder, so that makes me a little less disappointed. I'm pretty disappointed right now, though, I'm not gonna lie. It's okay, because we got Joe's display box. Next, and the odds of both being awful are...
You would hope, yeah.
Yami. Flame Ghost.
What is it?
Bang.
Wow.
Dark Magician.
Wow, the Dark Magician from LOB.
Bang.
Incredible.
That's probably not worth that much, but
unlimited. I would imagine not, but that has to be one of the best.
That just changed my entire.
That has to be
Now
one
I'm
of the
having a
best
good day.
possible pulls in
Now
LOB.
I'm having a good day. Try to see if you can check it.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll check that. Okay. Just want to look at this again. Because it is on the... I mean, again, I have so many Dark Magicians, so it's like I really shouldn't care. But just being able to actually pull an LOB artwork from a pack is very cool. I wish I cut my nails before this. Squirrel Servant, Dissolve Rock, Mystical Moon.
That's about $20 unlimited.
I'll take it.
Yeah.
M Warrior 1, Reaper of the Cards. Yeah, Firecrest. I wasn't expecting anything else. Okay, I went from like a D to a B+.
Yeah.
Like, I'm pretty...
You gotta be happy with
I'm
that.
pretty happy with that. I'm going to take all the LOB that I have. Okay. Yeah, I'll sleeve some stuff up.
I would
Definitely
the Dark Magician, yeah. And the Chaos Emperor.
Yeah. Yeah, just give me all these. Alright, Joe's gonna get his box ready while I just sleeve. So let's say $20. This is about 15.
20, yeah.
Okay, so it's 35.
The Megamorph was about $4 or $5.
Megamorph's not even sleeving that. These are all, I mean, these two are probably under $10 right now.
Mm-hmm.
I would imagine. I think the Red Eyes went up to like $10.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
I think. So I'm going to sleeve these quarter century rares anyway because they look good. Now, the one thing I want to look at.
I don't see as bad of a print line on that particular one.
Yeah, it could just be the lighting.
Could be.
But.
Pretty much all the ones we've seen so far have.
Yeah, no, it does. You can't see it from that angle, but.
Yeah, they all have that.
Yeah, it's in the center
same,
there.
Yeah, same
spot,
print
top
line.
center.
Yep.
I was looking through the core centers I do have so far, and one of the blue eyes that I have doesn't have a distinct print line. Yeah. Okay, these aren't that bad, but you can definitely see them. So the guy that we go to for our packs, I think he had said too, like if you're gonna grade any of these, try to get like a clean blue eyes quarter century rare, and if there's no print line, it should be good. Yeah, this one's that was awful. You can probably see that one. Yeah, you can. All right, Joe's cleaning up. I am now set here. Put these to the side. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 foils from my display box. So Joe's up.
All right, let's see if we can top that. I'm looking for. I haven't gotten any Blue Eyes quarter century rares yet, so I'm hoping for at least one from this display box. But from what we just saw from Dean's, it is apparently possible to not get a single Blue Eyes or of one particular quarter century rare, apparently. So, all right, first display box. Okay, again, I'm gonna do the same thing. It's kind of spoiled because this quarter century is like poking out from the back here. This is probably why all of them are getting damaged on the back as well, because they're moving around. But this, I want to say, looks like a normal monster, or it could be a raw.
The raw. I'm gonna say it's a raw.
Yeah, I'm kind of hoping not, but
I'm just going off of like it looked very yellow.
It does. It is a winged dragon of Ra. Okay.
3 winged dragon.
Yeah, this is my second winged dragon of Ra personally, not in this video, but just from a previous box I opened. Okay, putting all the other promos to the side as well. As Dean said, we'll be giving these away to probably a bunch of you lucky viewers. All right, second. Oh, wait, what am I doing? I didn't open any of the packs. Okay. All right. I'm going to actually save all my spell rulers to the end because that is probably my favorite pack. Let's start with this Invasion of Chaos.
Okay. You're going to find this interesting, Joe. How much do you think the Wind Dragon Raw quarter century is right now?
I mean, last I looked, I think they were all about $8 or just under $10.
So according to my app, it's $12.
Okay.
So
Lord Poison, Jade Insect, Dawn Turtle, Burning Algae, Lacunga, and Granadora. So no hollow in this pack. Okay.
So Blue Eyes is 20.
Right.
Red Eyes is 6. Dark Magician is 12.
Dark Crisis.
Slifer is 13.
Interesting.
Obelisk is 9. So I think these prices they're just gonna go up and down, up and down.
Falling down. A Deal with the Dark Ruler. Cool. Drag Down into the Grave. Archfiend Soldier. And Spell Vanishing. Super rare. Honestly say I've never seen this card.
Is it?
It's pretty cool. It has Breaker the Magical Warrior on here, which is a Yugi card.
Ooh, very cool. Yeah. So yeah, put it lined up with your Core Century.
Yep.
That.
Yeah, from this box.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Ken Dog. Rod of Silence. Let's go Metal Raiders. Armored Zombie, Pale Beast, Soul Release, Jirai Gumo, Milas Radiant, and Armored Lizard. Okay. Ancient Brain, Prevent Rat, Cybersaurus. It was a very nostalgic card for me. Okay.
You said you keep the spell rollers for last.
Yeah, I think so. Just switch it up a little bit.
This guy that wants Team Dragon.
Yes. Alright, 7 completed. DNA Surgery. Burning Land. Twin-Headed Fire Dragon. Vampire Baby. Insect Barrier. So again, no hollow. And last but not least, LOB. Okay. Red Medicine, Monster Egg, Mystical Moon, Masaki, Twin-Pronged Attack. Oh, Two-Pronged Attack. Yeah, you always get excited when you see a normal monster, but there is a lot of normal monsters in this set, so it's like... See, like, yeah, when you see that, like, third card in the pack and, like, it goes from the past, that's when you can get excited. All right. Next mini box. Okay. So we won't be as spoiled for this one. However, Dean on the other side of me will know exactly which one it is.
I can't tell from this angle.
Does that mean it's a normal?
No, I can't.
No. It is a Slifer. Okay.
Again, these prices are. If all these cards end up around like $10 to $15, then
at least you're getting some guaranteed value.
You get a display box that's like almost $50. Like I just did mine on my app, Collector, not sponsored. Hopefully they don't give us that I said that. It's like $50 of just the Core Century rares.
Yeah.
So you add in your your pulls, and you're breaking even depending on where you get it. Like, we got these for 110.
Right.
So, you go to Newberry Comics, you're not getting them for 110.
We love you, Newberry. Dice reroll. Token Thanksgiving. Kelbeck. Gravity Axe. Guardian Trice. And... Ooh, Vampire Lord Secret Rare.
Oh, I think I didn't get that.
You might have pulled that the other day, yeah.
No, I don't think let me see. No, I definitely didn't get that.
You looked that one up?
Yep.
I know I believe that's a Kaiba card, believe it or not. So it could be surprisingly have some value. Okay. I'm gonna go Metal Raiders next. Okay. Mystical Lamp. Oh, Mystic Lamp. Beam. Steel Scorpion. Ground Attacker. Mask of Darkness. Heavy Storm.
Heavy Storm, that's a few bucks.
Okay, super rare. Cool. Very, very cool card. And potentially, I think could come off the ban list maybe one day. But we'll have to see about that. 7-colored fish.
So just to interject, Vampire Lord's like $8.
Okay.
So that's solid. This is from one.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Let's go with IOC. Slipheed, Ojama Black, Don Turtle, Coach Goblin, Getsu Fuma, and Griffin's Feather Duster. Destroy all spells and trap cards on your side of the field. Increase your life points by the number of destroyed cards times 500.
Alright, so Heavy Storm is $5 right now. I imagine there's so many printings of it.
Yeah.
But still pretty solid, so it's like almost like $15 right there.
Go LOB first.
Let's see. You go that and Pharaoh Servant?
Yep.
Why you want the Jinzo?
I really, because I do really like Jinzo and Buster Blader, so I would Monster Egg, Terror the Terrible, Silver Bow, Vile Germs, Fissure, Furious Sea King, Drooling Lizard, Armored Starfish. All right, last pack. Pharaoh's Servant. Last pack of this this mini box, I should say. Three-headed Guido, Steel Ogre Grotto number 2, Spikebot, Inspection, Gravity Bind, Bubonic Vermin. Okay. Intervention, Gamble. All right. Next mini box.
Whoa. 3 from that box?
No, I pulled this one out. It's just a rare, but I feel like it could be worth something. I feel like I've heard something about this card in the past. Gravity Bind, if you want to just check that real quick. I don't have high expectations, but for some reason the name of that card stands out. Okay, let's see, what is our quarter-century rare?
Yeah, this is not. It's 80 cents.
It is another Slifer. Okay.
So I got 3 God cards, and then I got 2 normal monsters. It was the same one. So it's gonna be interesting to see if.
Hopefully, if they're 2 Dark Magicians or
how-
2 Blue Eyes. Okay. All right. Invasion of Chaos.
Because you still don't have Blue Eyes, right?
I do not.
And you have
I don't have any of normal monsters. I only have the God cards. So I have 3 Slifer now and 2 Ra. Ooh, Gigantes. I kind of wanted this card. Lord Poison, Coach Goblin, Berserk Gorilla, and Big Koala. Let's go Dark Crisis. Okay. Ray of Hope, Shooting Star, Kelbeck, DD Trainer, Guardian Trice, and Berserk Dragon. Cool. Alright, that's a super rare.
Let's find out.
Agito. Okay, let's do that again. Metal Raiders. Armored Zombie. Sagi the Dark Clown. Hayosube. Elegant Egotist. Destroyer Golem. Larvae Moth, Prevent Rat.
It's about $1, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry to break that to you.
I didn't expect much, but okay. Fair Servant. Solomon's Law Book. Gift of the Mystical Elf. Inspection. Thousand Eyes Idol. Hayasuba Knight. Hayabusa Knight. No hollow in that pack again. This is...
Get 2 more.
Yeah. I was going to say potentially the worst mini box. We'll have to see what Spell Ruler does for us. I'm actually not disappointed with the packs themselves. It's really just the Quarter Century Secret Rares so far. But let's see. Yami, King Fog, Laser Cannon Armor, Petite Angel, 2-pronged attack, Spiked Seadra. Okay. All right. Second to last mini box.
So now it's interesting because this is the order that I went Red Eyes.
Right, and you went from front
and I went
to
from front to back.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Maybe we could be right in front of your eyes. We could be mapping these display boxes.
this will decide it.
Yeah.
And then we go to the store and we say, "Can you open up that display box?" And we just take the 2 from the back.
Yep.
Every time.
Okay. Trying not to spoil this.
I peeked.
There's a normal monster. It is the Red Eyes. Okay.
So far, the mapping is correct.
That's correct, yeah. Okay.
So it's ironic though that the Slifer has a pretty high price right now because I mean the God cards are I think going to be more heavily printed than the monsters.
Yeah, I would agree. I mean, they never...
I don't believe that it's random. I don't think it's all equal.
Yeah. Sparks. Ray and Temperature. Hitatsumi Giant. Ray's Body Heat. Metal Dragon. That's a cool fusion. And Mountain. Tripwire Beast. Okay. Metal Raiders. I'm doing these in complete reverse order this time.
I don't know how I feel about that.
Okay. Protector of the Throne. Launcher Spider. Ancient Lizard Warrior. Mask of Darkness. Tribute to the Doomed. Oh, cool. Super rare. I think I actually have the original print of this from when I was a kid.
Let's see.
What's next? Pharaoh's Servant. Earth Shaker, that's just a common. Is it? This entire pack was almost all traps. Look at this.
What set was that?
That was Pharaoh's Servant. I guess this is a trap heavy set, but that's kind of crazy. Alright. Dark Crisis.
Tribute to the Doomed is like $1.
Alright.
So, that's 2 boxes.
No. Staunch Defender, 1,000 Needles, Archfiend Soldier, and Ken Dog. Not. This is probably. I can't even say it's the worst mini box so far because the promo.
And you haven't opened Spell.
And we haven't opened the Spell really. Yeah. So Invasion of Chaos.
I mean, you opened a mini box where you got 0 hollows.
That's true.
And what was the guide card? That was Ra.
Ra.
Yeah.
Okay. Lord Poison, Neobug, Molten Zombie, Witch Doctor, Compulse, nice. Anti-aircraft Flower. Not good. And alright, last mini box.
Be careful there.
Oh, we're missing a pack.
Yeah.
I think it was the spell ruler that
No,
actually.
it was the LED.
Okay. Alright.
I'll get a spell ruler for you. Oh, okay.
It is a Blue Eyes.
Ooh,
yes.
nice,
Okay.
nice,
That makes me feel somewhat satisfied. First Blue Eyes I've gotten out of maybe 7 mini boxes I've opened now.
And again, that's
it's not in view over here, so.
Oh yeah, you can put it.
Put it
You
right
can put it there. Man.
Awesome. All right, that makes me feel a little bit justified in buying this.
And it is funny again, like so we switched this over, but it went God, normal. My box went God, normal.
Yep.
So might have mapped it for you guys.
Okay. So Invasion of Chaos. I think the Yu-Gi-Oh gods didn't like that I went in reverse order last time, so we're gonna do it as nature intended and start with what was that? Invasion of Chaos.
Yes.
Okay. Ryokoki, DD Borderline, Hyper Hammerhead, Dark Triceratops. That's cool. Dinosaur card. Okay. No hollow in that one. Fenrir.
That's cool.
All right. Dark Crisis. Arsenal Summoner. Contract with the Abyss. That's a cool card.
That's solid card.
Ooh, Skull Archfiend of Lightning. Ultra rare.
Ultra rare. So I was looking. I got 2 ultra rares and a secret rare, and the rest are super rares. So let's see how you.
Okay. Ooh, Sakuretsu armor. That's cool.
What was that? Skull Archfiend?
Yep. Okay.
Of Lightning?
Servant. Yep.
This is a speed duel one I don't want.
Solomon's Logbook. Invitation to a Dark Sleep. Gust. Ground Collapse. Skull Invitation. Major Riot. No hollow there.
And that was what box?
That was Pharaoh's Servant.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
No, that's not it. That's
Okay.
not it.
Metal Raiders.
Gate Guardian.
Victor of the Throne. Musician King. Harpy Lady. Shadow Ghoul. Barrel Dragon Ultra Rare.
Oh, very cool.
I don't think that's worth much. This is a pretty good mini box, though.
Mini box.
Yeah. Oh, this card I remember from my childhood. Kind of creepy.
Oh yeah. Barrel Dragon.
LOB. It's probably like 99 cents.
The original one is unlimited, like 50 cents. No, okay. First edition is like $270.
Yeah. Dark World Thorns, Frenzied Panda, Silver Fang, Dragon Capture Jar.
For the blue
Meta Bat.
Alright, well you got Spell Ruler.
You got Spell Ruler.
So I think go this way.
Okay. Yep.
I think go this way.
Yeah. This is the first mini.
Best.
Oh, well, not necessarily. This was my first mini box.
This is your first mini box.
Yeah. Well, yeah, we'll go this way.
Just because this is like the worst too.
Mm-hmm.
You got some solid. This one sucks too. But
okay. Let's see. Reran. Spear Cretan. Whiptail Crow. Manga Reran. Black Illusion Ritual. Okay. I think you pulled out the other. Oh, and Upstart Goblins always has some value as
I think I pulled it the exact same way, back to back.
Okay.
Here you go.
Curse of Fiend. Performance of Sword. Snake Fang. Boar Soldier. Giant Germ. Giant Trunade. Okay.
Is that another?
That's a hollow.
I think that one might be.
I think this card is also banned. It's either Heavy Storm or Giant Trunade that is worth a couple. I mean, they might both be worth a couple bucks. Okay.
It's $2 for Giant Trunade.
Okay. Penguin Knight. Final Destiny. That kind of looked like a hollow for a sec. Horn of the Unicorn. No hollow. Okay, second to last. Hungry Burger.
That's supposed to get a Great Servant.
Tailor of the Fickle. Dark Witch. Giant Rat. Rising Air Current.
Alright, so it would be crazy if you got it
From this
box, because that'd be 2 ultras and a secret, so hate to bring it on your parade.
Yeah. Alright, let's see. Dark Zebra. Seen some cards that we haven't seen yet, so Giant Turtle, Labyrinth Wall, The Reliable Guardian, Mother Grizzly, and Toll. Okay, so no hollow to finish it off. But overall, fairly happy. I would have liked a Dark Magician or a second Blue Eyes. But
so I got 9 hollows really quick before we go.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got 10 hollows, I got 9 hollows. It went God, normal in the order of the display box. So if that's mapped, go to the back of the display box and pull yourself a mini box from there. And that's it. Joe, you got anything else?
No, we'll see you guys on the next one.
All right.